Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, welcome back to Nisa Academy. Shahnaz Sheikh here. So in the last lecture, we completed the first 20 questions of the Goa Board Model Question Paper, Mathematics Level 1. Today, we'll continue with the same question paper, the next 20 questions. Many of you were asking me that whether I'll be uploading the question paper for level 2. Definitely, I'll be uploading the solutions of the model question paper of mathematics level 2. So please subscribe my channel so you'll get all the latest updates. And yes, even some of you were asking me that whether this channel is only for Goa board. Definitely not. I'll be uploading for CBSE as well, Maharashtra board as well, all the mathematics from 9th standard to 12th standard. Okay. If you want a PDF notes of the latest lectures, please join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description box. Even last lecture's video link I have put up in the description box. So do check out. You can give your suggestions, okay, everything in the channel, as well as just DM me on Instagram or mail me, okay. So let's begin with the next set of questions. 21st question. The quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are minus 9 and 20 respectively. So if alpha and beta are the zeros, then alpha plus beta is given to me minus 9 and alpha into beta is given as 20. So how do we write the polynomial? P of x, the standard form, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 9x plus alpha into beta is 20, which is equal to x square plus 9x plus 20. Okay. Now if you see here, the first, the second, the third, all the three options, they doesn't match with the answer, right? And the fourth option is like completely different. So we'll say, the question is wrong. No, don't worry, the question is not wrong. So if I just multiply this equation by 2, okay, sorry, this polynomial by 2. So 2x square plus 2 9s are 18x plus 22s are 40. Now see, yes, exactly the same as option D. So if you remember, the actual which you have been taught is, it is like this. Though we write x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha, the polynomial, the actual which we have taught is like this. K into x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, right? Where k is any constant. So when we just write x square, it means the constant is nothing but 1. But not necessarily always it is 1. Okay. So the k can be anything, any constant. So here in this case it is 2. Okay. So when you multiply throughout by 2, you get the correct answer. So just remember this in exam. So hope you understood this problem. Okay. Let's go for the next problem. Twenty-second problem. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. The probability that the sum of the numbers appearing on top of both the dice is 4 is, okay. So when 2 dice are thrown, there are total how many? 36 outcomes. See here, which I have written already. Okay, 36 outcomes are there. And you have to check that the probability that the sum of the numbers appearing on top of both the dice. Okay, sum of the numbers should be 4. So let's just check which two these numbers have sum 4. So in the first line, if you see 1 3, okay, that is 3 plus 1 4. Here 2 2, and then here 3 plus 1 4. Here anything else? No. Now see here, from here onwards 4 or 5. This will be 5, right? This will be 6 addition, so on. But it will be not 4. It will be greater than 4. So only 3, right? So which are those? So favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 1 3, then 2 2 and 3 1. So total 3, right? So probability of that even will be 3 by total possible outcomes 36. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. 12 3s are 36. So the option is yes. Option is A. 1 upon 12. Hmm? Yes. Next problem. Question number 23. If PA and PB are tangents from external point P to the circle with center O such that angle APB equal to 80 degree. So angle APB is 80 degree. Then the measure of angle AOP is, okay. So this is the center. I join this OA, that is the radius, and this is OP I will join. We know that tangent and radius are perpendicular, so this is 90, and here to find angle AOP. See, one of the ways what you just join this OB, so it will be a quadrilateral, and some of the interior angles of a quadrilateral are 360 degree, right? So this is 80, 90, 90. You can find AOB and just make it half. So that is the answer. And another way is what? See, this OP is what? The angle bisector. Yes, we know that the center lies on the bisector of the angle between the two tangents, right? This center O lies between the bisector of the two tangents AP and PB. So this is 90, this is 80, so this is bisector, means this will be 40, right? This half will be 40, that is APO will be 40, and here to find angle AOP. So what? Sum of the angles of a triangle? Yes. So angle I will write AOP plus angle OAP plus angle APO equal to 180 degree. So AOP we don't know, OAP is 90 and that is 40, which is 180. Okay, so angle AOP is 90 plus 40 is 130, so 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree, right? So the option is B. Even if you solve with the quadrilaterals, you will get the angle AOB as 100. Okay, so obviously half of 100 is 50. So any method you can use. See, I'm not just paying most attention to the writing part like in detail and all. Why? Because in your paper this MCQ, so nobody's going to check how much you have written like in detail and all. They are only going to check your answer. That's why I'm not paying much attention to the writing. Just you have to see how you can minimize, reduce your time so that you get more time to solve the questions. Okay, other questions also. Okay, so let's go for the next problem. Question number 24. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter. Therefore, the area swept by the minute hand in 6 minutes is. So, in a clock, okay, now for 60 minutes, the minute hand completes one full rotation, right? So one full rotation means 360-degree angle, right? So in 60 minutes, it completes angle total 360 degree. So in 1 minute, how much? Yes, 360 by 60, which is 6 degree, right? So in 1 minute, angle swept by the minute hand is 6 degree. You remember this, okay, for the clock problems. Okay, it will in 1 minute it will always complete 6 degree angle. So now they have given us the area. They have told us to find the area swept by the minute hand in 6 minutes. So in 1 minute 6 degree, so 6 minutes how much it will be? Area swept by the minute hand in 6 minutes will be 6 into 6, which is yes 36 degree. Length of the minute hand of the clock, that is radius, is given to us. See, if this is the hour and this is the minute hand, so that is the radius given to us, and they have told us to find this area. Okay, this area, so means what? Area of the sector, right? So I will just write area of the sector. What is the formula? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is given to us. How much it is? Yes, just now 36 degree. 360 into pi, we can take 22 by 7. R is how much? Radius, that is length of the minute hand, 21 into 21. Okay, 36 tens are, then 2 fives are, 2 elevens are, 7 threes are. So which is 33 into 21 by 5. So it comes to, when you multiply, this 138.6 centimeters square. So the answer is yes, option D. Okay? Yes. Next problem. 25th question. The product of two numbers is 1440. If the HCF is 4, then their LCM is. So we know given two numbers, suppose A and B, then A into B is equal to HCF of AB into what? LCM of AB. Very important, you remember this, okay, point, that product of two numbers is always equal to HCF into LCM. So product of two numbers is given to us 144, HCF is given 4, LCM we have to find. Therefore, LCM equal to 1440 divided by 4. Okay, if I divide this by 4 3s are 12, 2, 4 6s are 24, 4 zeros are. Therefore, LCM is equal to 360. So the option is yes, option D. Okay. Next problem. Question number 26. If the pair of linear equations k minus 7 into x minus 2y equal to minus 5 and 4y minus k plus 1x equal to 2 have no solution, then value of k is. Now no solution, yes. What is the condition? Parallel lines, definitely. What is the condition? A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, so let's just write the equation k minus 7x minus 2y equal to minus 5, and this is 4y minus k plus 1x equal to 2. So A1 is here k minus 7, okay, B1 is minus 2, C1 is minus 5. Here A2 is 4, A2 is minus k plus 1, coefficient of x, okay. B2 is 4 and C2 is 2. So now let's put k minus 7 A1 upon A2 minus k plus 1 equal to B1 is minus 2 by 4 is not equal to what? Minus 5 by 2. So we'll take just this 2. So cross multiply. So 4k, okay, minus 4, okay, we can reduce it now. Yes, minus 1 upon 2, right? So better, minus 1 upon 2. So now it will be 2k minus 2 sevens are 14. This is minus k bracket k plus 1 into minus 1. So obviously minus 1 is to become plus. So I'll just write k plus 1. So 2k minus k, 2k minus k, which is 1 plus 14. So k equal to 1 plus 14 is 15. Yes. So the option is option C, 15. Okay. Next problem. Question number 27. The simplified form of cosec A minus cot A into bracket 1 plus cos A is. Okay. So cosec A minus cot A into 1 plus cos A. So what I will do, I will just change, see, the best way to solve, we say this type of problems, to simplify, the most that you can do is just convert into sine and cos. Okay, better. If you don't have like the direct identities and all given, like that 1 plus cot square or sine square, okay, you cannot use that, then the best way, just convert them into sine and cos. It becomes much simple. So cosec, I will just write is reciprocal of this sine, and cot is cos A by sin A, right? And this is already here 1 plus cos A, let it be. So see, the denominator is same. So 1 minus cos A upon sin A into this is 1 plus cos A. So if I multiply, see this, A minus B, A plus B. Yes, so what is it? A square minus B square. So can I write this as 1 square? What is A? 1, no? And B is cos A. So it will be cos A square upon this will remain as it is. So now cos A square or cos square A is the same thing upon sin A. So 1 minus cos square A. And what is 1 minus cos square A? Yes, you know the identity, no? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, so if I want cos square theta, it will be what? 1 minus sin square theta? Yes. So what is 1 minus cos square A here? It will be sin square A upon sin A. Okay, so there are 2, there is 1. 1 gets cancelled. So sin A, only one sin A will remain. So the answer is yes, option A, sin A. Okay, let's go for the next problem. Question number 28. If the area of the triangle with vertices A40, B minus 50, C2K is 36 square units, then the value of K is. Okay, so the triangle I will draw, and A, B, C. A is given 40, B is minus 50, and C is 2K. Okay, so what is the area of a triangle? Yes, the formula. You don't need to actually learn it, okay, by heart it or something. Just see this, remember this rotation, okay. It goes like this from 1 to 2 to 3 and then back to here. So half, okay, half into, so first x1, okay, then x2 and then x3. So after 1, what comes? 2, 3. So it will be y2 minus y3. Then after 2, 3, 1. Okay, so y3 minus y1. And after 3, again it will come with here 1, 2. So y1 minus y2. Yes. So half into. So just name these points x1, y1. You can take this x2, y2. And this is x3, y3. Okay. So x1 is 4 plus x2 is minus 5 and x3 is 2. Okay. And y2 is, you can see here 0 minus y3 is k. Correct? Y3 is again k minus y1 is 0 and y1 is 0 and that is also y2 is 0. So what I will get is 1 upon 2. Okay, this is 4 into minus k minus 5k plus 0, right? So now which is given to me, okay, area of a triangle is given to me 36 is equal to, this will be, take this down, okay. So here I will write, so half into minus 4k minus 5k, which is an area of a triangle is given to me 36. Okay, so 36 2s are 72 is equal to minus 9k. Therefore, k is equal to 72 upon minus 9, so which is minus 8. Right? So the answer, option, yes, option A, minus 8. Okay, the correct option. Question number 29. The remainder when p of x equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x minus 7 is divided by g of x equal to x square minus 2 is. So let's take the polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x minus 7 divided by x square minus 2. Okay, so what I will do is just take this 2x cube along with this sign plus it is divided by the x square along with this sign plus. So 2 remains, okay, and x cube x square. So 2x will get cancelled, only 1x remains. So just take this 2x and put it over here. Okay, you have to divide this 2x cube by x square. So whatever remains, just put it over here and multiply. So x square into 2x is what? 2x cube. Okay, minus 2 2s are 4x. So where I will write 4x x term it is. So here. Okay, now this will be minus, this will be plus. This gets cancelled. Minus 4 plus 4. Again it gets cancelled. So what remains now? Minus 5x square and this minus 7. Again the same thing. Take minus 5x square. I said along with the sign. Okay. Divide by x square. X square gets cancelled. Remains minus 5. Take this minus 5 and just put it over here. So now you see x square into minus 5. Yes, minus 5x square. Minus minus plus 2 5s are 10. So this will be plus, this will be minus. This gets cancelled. Minus 7 minus 10. Minus 17. So the answer is option A, minus 17. Yes? Understood, no? Okay. Next problem. Question number 30. If 114x plus 156y equal to 426 and 156x plus 114y equal to 384, then find the value of x minus y. Okay, so I will write this first equation like this: 156x plus 114y equal to 384, because I want x minus y, positive x, okay, and 114x plus 156y equal to 426. I will just separate this, okay, both this equation. So minus minus minus. So 156 minus 114 is how much? 42x. 114 minus 156y will be again minus 42y, and this will be this 426 minus 384, so minus it will be 42. So divide throughout by 42. So x minus y equal to minus 1. Okay, so the answer is option B. So this type of problems are also important. You know, you can you'll given two equations, and sometimes you'll find to x plus y, okay, or here like this x minus y. So according to that, you have to take the equation. If there's x plus y, then obviously you have to add. So hope you understood. Let's go for the next problem. Question number 31. The value of the trigonometric expression sine 65 into cos 25 plus cos 65 into sine 25 degree is. So let me just write that. Sine 65 into cos 25 plus cos 65 into sine 25. Okay. So here I will be using, yes, the complementary angle. So sine of 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So now sine, see 65, if I want 65 from 90, what I will subtract so that I get 65? Exactly 25. So 90 minus 25, is it 65? Yes, and cos 25 as it is. Then here again the same. To get 65, what I will subtract from 90 so that I can get 65? So cos of 90 minus what? 25, na? So sine of 25. You can even change the other, okay? From here you can change cos 25, there sine 25, it's up to you. So sine of 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. And this is cos 25 as it is. Then cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta, which is sine 25, and this is sine 25. Okay, cos cos, cos square, and this is sine sine, sine square. And what is cos square theta plus sine square theta? Yes, it is 1. So the option is option C, 1. Okay, so you have to use here the complementary angle. Understood? Okay, let's go for the next problem. Question number 32. If the perimeter of a semicircular wall piece is 108 centimeter, then the diameter of the wall piece is. Now, what is a semicircle? We know when a circle is cut into, along the diameter is cut exactly half, that is called a semicircle. So, see here, this is a circular wall here. Okay, and we have been given that the perimeter means the circumference, okay, of the semicircular wall is 108. So what is the circumference or the perimeter of the semicircle? Okay, we know of the circle it is 2 pi r, right? Of the circle the circumference is 2 pi r. So here we'll say it is pi r. No, see, just imagine, okay, you are walking, some perimeter means what? You are just imagine just walking from here, okay, the outer edge, and from here this total, that will be the perimeter. So if you see here, this is the half part of the circle. So 2 pi r, half of that is what? Pi r, right? And this, what is this? This is the diameter. So plus d, right? So that is the perimeter of what? Of semicircle. Okay, so perimeter for semicircle is pi r, this half, plus this diameter. So now just start. So pi r, d is what? 2 r, twice of the radius, right? Perimeter is given to us 108, and this is pi is given 22 upon 7 r plus 2 r equal to 108. So 22 r, 7 2 is 14 r upon 7 is equal to 108. So which is 36 r is equal to 108 into 7. So r will be what? 108 into 7 upon 36. So r equal to, this is 4 9s are, this is 4 2s are, 4 7s are, and 9 3s are. So r is equal to 21. Okay, but yeah, we have to find the diameter, this one. Okay, this, suppose I give this name. So AB we have to find the diameter, right, of the wall piece. So diameter is what? R is 21. So D is 2R, which is 2 into 21, which is 42. Okay, centimeter. So the answer is C, 42 centimeter. Okay, so remember, perimeter or circumference of semicircle will be pi r plus the diameter. Okay, not just pi r. Many of you will make a mistake that circumference is 2 pi r. So half of that, yes, pi r. No, because semicircle is what? When you divide the circle exactly 2 parts, that is the diameter divides the circle into 2 parts. That is called a semicircle, right? The half part. So this diameter you have to consider. Okay, the outer edge. So pi r plus d is the perimeter of the semicircle. Yes? Okay. Next problem. Question number 33. Toffees from 2 jars containing 210 and 240 toffees are to be packed in small packets. The maximum number of packets that can be packed if each packet has equal number of toffees is. Okay, so there are 2 jars, okay, where one jar has 210 and the other has 240. Okay, and what you have to do, you are making small packets of equal number of toffees. Okay, so how many such packets can be packed, they are asking us. So basically what they are telling us to find, yes, see the common number or the common factor for both of them, right? Because if they were the same numbers, it will be really easy. Okay, we can say, okay, so many packets we have been, you can pack, because if the same number of toffees were there. But here there is different number, so you have to find such a number which is common to both of them or common factor, and the maximum means the highest. So what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find HCF. Okay, so the Euclid's division lemma you can find, then prime factorization. Okay, any method you can use, or there is another one, how you can see very easily you can find. See this 210, 240. HCF we have to find. So now you have to divide by such a number, like a number which divides both of them. Okay, again I'm repeating, a number which divides both of them, not just one. Okay, so if I talk about 2, yes, 2 divides both of them. 2 ones are 2, this is 0, 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, now again, can I take 2? No. Why? Because 2 does not divide 105. It divides 120, but does not divide 105. So I cannot take 2. So I will choose 3. Okay, so let's see. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. Yes. 3 fours are 12, 3 zeros are 0. So such a number which divides both of the numbers. Okay. So yes, 3 divides. Now can I take 3 again? No, because 3 doesn't divide both of them. So let's start with 5. So 5 sevens are 35 and 5 eights are 40. Now further, is there any other number, which can divide both of this 7 and 8? No, only one is there, no? So just one. Okay, forget 1 sevens are, 1 eights are. So now see, the HCF is what? 2 into 3 into 5. So 6 fives are 30. Right? The option. Or see, if you do by the prime factorization, then also you will get the same answer. So what you will do, you will find the factors, right? So 2 ones are, 2 zeros are, 2 fives are, 3 threes are, 3 fives are, this is 5 sevens are, 7 ones are, and that is 240, right? So 240 equal to 240, 2 ones are, 2 twenties are, 2 sixes are, 2 threes are, okay, then 2 15s are, 3 fives are, and 5 ones are. So I will write this as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, and this will be, this is 210 here, okay, and 240 is what? 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 5. So HCF is what? The lowest power, right? So the lowest power of this is common, lowest power of the common factor. So 2 equal to 3 equal to 5, which is again 30, right? So any method you can use, Euclid's lemma also, you will get the same answer, whichever is easy for you. So the answer is 30. Okay, so this method is also very easy, but just you have to remember, you also find LCM also in this way, but there you can just go on dividing whichever number divides the a particular number. You don't have to see whether divides just both the numbers. But in HCF, what happens, you have to check exactly whether a number divides both of them, then only you can take. Okay, that is the difference between finding this way, the HCF and the LCM. So just remember, you have to take only those numbers which can divide both of them. So this is how you can find. Next problem. Question number 34. 5 years hence, hence means after 5 years, okay. So 5 years hence, Tom will be X years old and Jerry will be Y years old. Therefore, the sum of their present ages in years is. So now see, suppose I say now after 5 years my age is 25. Okay, so current age with my present age will be what? 20. So how I do it? Minus 5, right? So now the present age of both of them will be what? So present age, okay, of Tom will be, yes, X minus 5, right? And present age of Jerry will be Y minus 5. And what you have to do? Sum of their just present ages. So X minus Y plus Y minus 5. So X plus Y minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. So that is the answer. So option number D. Okay, simple. Understood, no? After 5 years they have given X, that is 5 years the age will be X years. So present age will be what? X minus 5 only, na? That is the answer. Next problem. Question number 35. If 17 sin A is equal to 8, then 10A equal to. So 17 sin A equal to 8. So what is sin A? Yes, 8 upon 17. So now let's draw a right angle triangle. Okay, ABC. Sin A, any angle you can take here. Okay, sorry, A we have given. So sin A is what? It is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Correct? So opposite 8 upon hypotenuse. You have to find tan A. So you require opposite upon adjacent. So you'll find AB here. So AB, how you'll find? By Pythagoras theorem. Right? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 17 square. AB square we don't know. BC square we know. It's 8 square. So 70 square is 289. 8 square is 64 is equal to AB square. So how much this is? 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. So 225. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of 225 is 15. Right. So the answer is 15. Now tan A. Tan A is what? Opposite upon adjacent side. Right. So opposite is what? 8 upon adjacent is 15. So 8 by 15, yes. Option A. Okay? Yes. Next problem. Question number 36. The point which divides a line segment joining the points 7, minus 6 and 3, 4 in the ratio 1:2 internally lies in the which quadrant that we have to find. Okay? So first let's just take a line segment. We name this as AB. So A I will take is 7 minus 6 and this is 3, 4. This is my x1, y1. This is my x2, y2. And you have to find that point, whatever, you can take it as pxy or whatever, okay, or any other. And it divides into what? 1:2, the ratio. So m1 is to m2 is 1:2. So yes, the section formula, right? So m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. Then m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. So which is equal to, okay, m1 is 1 into x2 is 3 plus m2 is 2 into x2 is 7 and this is 1 plus 2. Then again m1 is 1, y2 is 4, m2 is 2, y1 is minus 6 upon 1 plus 2. So which is 3 plus 14 by 3 and this is 4 minus 12 by 3. Okay. So which is 17 by 3 and this is minus 8 upon 3. Now see, this is what? Positive, negative, correct? And you know, there are 4 quadrants in our coordinate system. So in the first quadrant, both are positive. In the second, it is negative, positive. In the third, it is both negative. In the fourth quadrant, it is positive, negative. So now see which quadrant? Yes, exactly, fourth quadrant. So the answer is D. Option D, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, okay? Yes, this is how you find. Next problem. Question number 37. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus m plus 1x plus n are 2n minus 3, then we have to find the value of m and n. Okay. So let the first 0 alpha I will take 2 and the other 0 beta I will take minus 3. Okay. And the polynomial is given to me m plus 1x plus n. Let's compare. A equal to 1, b is m plus 1, c is n. Okay. We know that alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. So alpha is 2, beta is minus 3. Minus b is what? Minus m plus 1 upon a means 1. So 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. This is minus m, minus 1. So therefore minus m is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Therefore, m is equal to 0. Okay. So, m is 0. Now, let's find n. So, alpha into beta is c upon a. Okay. So, alpha into beta. So, c is this n upon 1 and alpha into beta is minus 3. So, minus 3 is equal to n upon 1. So, n equal to, it is, alpha into beta is 2 into minus 3. Okay. So, which is n equal to minus 6. So, m is 0, n equal to minus 6. Yes, option D. Right? So, that is the correct answer. Next problem, question number 38. If the digit in the units place of a two-digit number is 3x and the digit in the tens place is y, then the two-digit form after interchanging the digits is. So first see, this is unit place, this is tens place. So the digit in the units place of a two-digit number is what? 3x and the tens place is y. Okay. Then the digit two-digit number form after interchanging. So after interchanging, this 3x will come here and this y will come here. Okay. So what is the digit? You will say 3xy? No. See any number. Suppose this 25 is a number. Okay. This is a two-digit number. So how you remember the expansion? Yes, used to expand. How? So 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Remember? And that was 20 plus 5. So it was 25. This is how you expand. That is how our digits are formed, right? So here it will be what? 3x into 10, right? Plus y into 1. So which is 30x plus y. So the digit will be, okay, the digit will be 30x plus y, which is option C. Option D. 30x plus y. Yes, so remember this, huh? Of this form. Okay, this form the digits are. Okay, 10. So it will be like, suppose the unit place a year, okay, is x you take. Okay, and this is y. So it will be what? 10y plus x. Okay, this will be the form of the digit. Okay, next problem. Question number 39. If sin a minus cos a equal to 0, then the value of sin raised to 4a minus sin square is. Okay. So, sin a minus cos a equal to 0. So, can I write sin a equal to cos a? So, you have to find a here, angle a. Okay. So, one way to think very easy, see which angle where like major is where the sine and cos is equal. Sine 45, right? Because both sine 45 and cos 45 is equal. So, can I just write a equal to 45? Or the other way you can think is, see, sine a, right? So, if I want cos a, what I will write in the complementary angle? Sine of 90 minus a, because sine of 90 minus a is what? Cos a. So, instead of cos a, what I will write? Sine of 90 minus a. So, sine a get cancelled. A is equal to 90 minus a. A comes here, 2a equal to 90. So, a is 90 by 2, which is equal to 45. So, both are correct, right? Same it is. So, whichever way you want to follow, it is correct. So, a is 45. Now, just will substitute here. Okay. So, sine 45 degree minus sine square, it is the sine square 45. We know sine square 45, this is the sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. So, 1 upon root 2 raised to 4. This is 1 upon root 2 square. So, what is 1 upon root 2? See, 1 upon root 2 square is what? 1 upon root 2 square is 1 upon 2, right? And square 4 means another square. So, which is 1 by 4, correct? So, 1 upon this is 4 and this is 1 upon root 2 square. We know 1 upon 2. So, now take the LCM, which is 4. So, here, so here it is 1 minus this is 2. 2's I will take. So, 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 upon 4. So the answer is yes, option B, minus 1 upon 4. Okay, that is the answer. And the last problem. Question number 40. If the radius of a wheel is 0.63 meter, then the distance covered by the wheel in 400 revolutions is. So when we talk about the, one revolution. So one revolution means what we are talking about? Yes, the circumference, right? The circumference of the circle. That is one revolution. So if I ask you a question, suppose you are traveling a distance of say 60 kilometer. Okay, and after every 10 kilometer you are making a stop. Okay, you are just making a stop at after every 10 kilometer. Okay, so if I ask you how many total stops you have taken, now tell me. So what you will say? Yes, it is 60 by what? One stop, which is 10. So how many total stops? 6 stops, right? So yeah, so if you see here, if I ask you the number of revolutions, okay, total revolutions, what you are supposed to tell me? Yes, the total distance covered upon one revolution. So one revolution is what? Circumference, right? That is 2 pi r. So if I am asking about number of revolutions, means I am asking how you will tell me that is the total distance covered. So here in this case, what I ask you, the total stops I ask you, how many stops you have taken. So total distance is 60 upon your one stop. After every 10 kilometer you have taken the one stop, right? So it will be 6 stops. So here in this case, in general, number of revolutions or distance upon the circumference, that is one revolution, right? 2 pi r. So here I want to find the distance. So distance will be what? Distance will be number of revolutions, okay, into 2 pi r. So which is given to me 400. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 0.63. So I will just write 400 into 2 into 22 by 7, which is 63 upon 100. Okay, this is gone. So you just multiply and you divide. See what you will get. This is 7. 7 nines are. Okay. So 88. This is 9. And you get it as 1584 meter. And the answer. Yeah. See. Option B. Okay. 1584 meter. Okay. So thank you. We have completed all the 40 questions of the model question paper level 1. Next video will start with the model question paper of mathematics level 2. Okay, so please share with your friends as much as you can. All the links are mentioned in the description box. Please do check out and see you next time. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.